Hello guys, today we're gonna create a Swedish wooden torch. We're gonna use a cylinder for that. First we delete the cube and add cylinder. It's really simple design. We're gonna use basic modeling tools again. Which is important here, the material designing is important because it makes the object seems like a wooden torch or stove, whatever you call it. They use this one is for cooking or heating up. You know, it's a very simple stove. Yeah, let's get started with the shade smooth. We apply. Then we're gonna insert the top face for making the center hole for fire. We will not delete the face because if you do that, it will seem like drilled completely from top to bottom. We will just extrude the center surface. First we switch to X-ray mode, and also we will apply loop cut because if you don't do that, you cannot create the segments. Now we extrude the center face. We switch to X-ray mode. Yes. Also we are gonna apply one more loop cut for the segments because we are gonna delete some circular faces. Yeah, we're gonna select just like that, not all the faces. Yes, one every third, and we're gonna extrude down to create that space between the segments. Yeah, that's kind of, yeah, that's enough, I think. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's okay now. Now we're gonna delete the outer faces of the segments, the spaces, I mean. Yes, we select the faces. Yeah. Just turn and select, keep selecting. Yes. Yes, we delete and we will see more faces. But we're gonna apply loop cut. We must do that to keep the difference between bottom of the center hole and the bottom faces of the segments. Yes, just right through the bottom of the segments. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, nice. Select faces. Yes, we start selecting the faces again. We're going to delete them also. No, not that one, not that one. Yes. We are going to delete them. Yeah, we have the basic shape now. Scale through Z-axis and move through Z-axis. Yes. Yeah, I think we forgot to delete one face. Yes, that one. Yeah, just select and delete. Yeah, seems better now. Yeah, we have the object. We have our stove. Then we will see the material design now. Yeah, it's pretty much look like wood. We will create two materials for this stove. One for flame looking and one for the wood. The material looking like flame for the center faces. The wood material is for the whole body, you know. And we will put light, a point light also, make it like kinda dark orangey to make it stronger. Yeah, for emitting light. I mean, yeah, as you see, material one is just for the main body. It's the wood. The other one is flame. Yeah, here is our node setup. It's pretty much simple designing, material creating. We use two noise textures. We mix RGB node. One for main texture of the the bark of the tree, the wood. The other one is to deform the bark surfaces. That's why the scales have difference. We use color ramp also here for mixing them to adjust their influencing to each other. And this is for the flame material, as you see. Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, as you see, it seems nice. For the inner surfaces, you just select and assign the material. It's very easy to apply and create, as you see. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content.